Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Redemption 2 lag problem. If you want to fix it, click here and then type view advanced system settings. Now click settings here and then click adjust for best performance. Click apply and then OK, and now just close it. And after that go to GeForce Experience. If you don't have it, just download it from your browser. Now once you're here, we need to find Red Dead Redemption 2, and when you find it, click details, and let's say that this is let's take GTA 5 as an example, and then click custom settings, and here just move it to performance, just manage it just like as you want, and that's it, just like that, and then click apply, and you can change it whenever you want, and that's it. I hope that can help you. After that, click launch and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.